Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Propp Lozenge. Jim Propp is the inventor of this concept, and lozenge is the, cube-like pattern that you see here. And let me demonstrate how it works. We have our magnetic tool here, the propeller as I call it, and we can use it to lift out 3 pieces to make a rotation, put it back again, lift out 3 other pieces, rotate them, put them back again, lift out 3 more, rotate them, and we keep getting these Lozenge puzzle patterns that looks like cubes. So that's what makes this puzzle so attractive. However, instead of just making cube patterns, you obviously can also make rotations of different angles, and you can totally scramble the puzzle. And the object of the puzzle is, you can even start with a random scrambled puzzle, and the object is to use the tool to get them back together again. So let me just put them in place. And what makes this puzzle so great is that no matter how you put it together, it's always in a state that you can solve it with the tool and making all the nice cubic patterns. I'm not going to show you the solution, but I just wanted to show you what is at the inside. And here we have a properly scrambled Propp Lozenge, and we can start solving. Oops, not by sliding, but by lifting, rotating, lifting again, rotating again, and all the things with the magnets. And obviously, once it's solved, or if you can't solve it, you can put on the lid. You can put in the magnetic tool, and it's a nice box together. So my question to you is about the Lozenge pattern. When you first saw this photo or the video, did you think that you really saw a cube, or a cube with missing cubes? Thank you for watching.